Welcome to our channel. Today, we're sharing top tips on how to make a small living room feel more spacious. Whether you're living in an apartment or a cozy house, these tricks will help you maximize your space and create a comfortable, airy atmosphere. Let's dive in. First up, use light colors. Light shades like white, beige, or pastels reflect more light, making a room feel brighter and more open. Consider painting your walls and ceilings in these colors and choose furniture in similar tones. Next, opt for multifunctional furniture. Pieces like sofa beds, nesting tables, or ottomans with storage are perfect for saving space while serving more than one purpose. This not only reduces clutter, but also keeps your room functional. Choosing furniture with legs can expose more floor area, giving the illusion of a larger space. So, go for couches, chairs, and tables with slender legs to keep the room looking open and airy. Mirrors are a game changer. They reflect light and create a sense of depth, making any room appear larger. Place a large mirror opposite a window or behind a light source to maximize this effect. A cluttered space feels cramped, while a well-organized room feels more spacious. Keep your surfaces clear and use storage baskets or built-in cabinets to keep things tidy. Draw the eye upwards by emphasizing vertical space. Use tall bookshelves, vertical wall art, or hang curtains higher than the window frame. This makes the room feel taller and more open. Transparent or glass furniture blends into the space, reducing visual clutter. Consider adding a glass coffee table or acrylic chairs to maintain a light, airy feel. Sticking to a consistent color scheme helps unify the space, making it feel more orderly and spacious. Choose a limited color palette and repeat these colors in your furniture, textiles, and decor. Good lighting can make a huge difference. Use a mix of overhead lighting, floor lamps, and table lamps to brighten up the room and illuminate dark corners. This enhances the perception of space. Finally, embrace minimalist decor. A minimalist approach avoids overcrowding and emphasizes quality over quantity. Choose a few statement pieces and keep decorations simple and streamlined. And there you have it. 10 tips to make your small living room feel more spacious. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home decor tips. Let us know in the comments which tip you're excited to try. Thanks for watching.